You're going to see it like this, okay? And it's like a very large grapefruit. And the reason why I'm showing you this is so that you know what it looks like when you buy it in the grocery store. So I'm going to remove the netting and I'm going to remove the plastic underneath, and then I'll show you how I cut this.
Yes, that is a pomelo.
Pomelo.
So I think of it like a giant grapefruit. So moving on, this is a pomelo fruit and it looks a lot like a grapefruit.
It looks like a huge grapefruit.
So yeah, so it is family style.
So now that it is open and the package is off, it is just like this. So it's like a gigantic orange, right? So there's a way to cut it so that it's a lot easier on your nails and your fingers. It does involve using a knife, and I'll show you how to do it. So after I've removed the packaging, I wash my pomelo right here. Just give it a nice rinse and then dry it off. Find the navel, right? So it's right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my knife and I'm going to cut it down the middle to the bottom of the navel. And then I'm going to do it on the other side, to the other side. So what I'm essentially doing is I'm making an X, and that's one side of the X, but then now I have to do the other side. So I'm going to go back again, find my navel, put my knife there, and then I'm going to go and make another cut this way. So I'm making like a cross, right? It's almost like, and I'm not cutting all the way through like I would maybe if I wanted to have orange slices, although you can do that, but I find it's not the best way to eat it. So now look, I have an X. So now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to peel each quarter, right? There's 4 sections, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to peel each one of them like this. Peel them back. And look at that, it's got all the white pith on the inside. I'm going to peel all 4 sides. But you see, this way it's actually easier on my hands and my nails. Like if I didn't do this with a knife, my nails would probably be covered in like bits of pomelo skin. Okay, so I'm almost done the last layer right here. And then it's like this. You can go back and peel off some of the white stuff, and I'll do that a little bit. But what I really want to do is find the top right here. So I'm going to peel it off a little bit, stick my thumbs in, and I find the easiest way is just to pull it apart like this. There. So this is what it looks like, right? And one thing that's really common in a lot of Asian cultures, especially in Chinese culture, is that it's a very sharing food culture. So everyone gets a little piece. It's a family style. You share it. You're probably not going to eat the whole thing by yourself because it's a lot. But what I'm going to do next, like a grapefruit, is I peeled off some of the yellow bits, and then I'm going to take them and pull apart the segments like this. And this is essentially how I would eat it. This is another example of a fruit that is high in vitamin C that help you absorb iron if you're sick of things like, you know, your regular lemon juice or limes and whatnot, or oranges. So this is a nice change. Now, you do get a lot of fruit from this one pomelo, so it's actually a really good deal when you think about it. It's about maybe, a pomelo goes maybe for $2 or $3 around this time of year. So there you have it. That's how to peel a pomelo. Thank you for watching my video, and I want to wish you all a very happy Lunar New Year.